Good, Don. Very good walking. Good walking, son. Oh! We've taken the camera out because Don's done some amazing walking here. He walks and he pivots. Look at those feet. He's learned to pivot. Good boy. He likes to walk holding a ball in each hand.
He ate a lemon today.
He did. He ate a lemon at the Mexican restaurant. He liked it. Then he reached for Mommy's and he ate Mommy's. He likes soda water. He likes to click his tongue.
He ran a little bit. Did you see that? He went. Uh-oh.
Hey, buddy. We don't know what he's saying.
Uh-oh, that looks like a run.
We think he has a solution for the Iraq problem. The ball in the right hand represents brute force. The ball in the left hand represents diplomacy. Only through a careful balance of these two important weapons can we reach a solution. There will be some false turns. There will be the threat of use of force.
Look, he's running.
We may wave the saber and rattle it a bit.
He's coming up, coming up.
In the end, we'll bury those weapons, beat our swords into plowshares. Hey, buddy. We may even drop the whole military option. Only to pick it up again. Hey, Don. Hey, Don. Hey, Don. I have some questions for you. Sally. Hey, Don. Don. What does the bird say? Right? What does the monkey say? What does the dog say? What does the cat say? What does the snake say? What does the snake say? Good. What does the owl say? What does the lion say?
¿Cómo hace la vaca?
Moo. What does the lion say? Yes, that was a good scream.
¿Cómo hace el búho?
Don, where is your nose? Good. Where is your chin? Good. Where is your mouth? Right. Where are your teeth? Good. Where is your hair? Yes. ¿Dónde está su inteligencia? Good. ¿A dónde vive Jesús? Good. ¿Cómo se dice luz en inglés? ¿Dónde están sus zapatos?
¿Cómo se dice zapato en inglés? Shoes.
Good. Shoes.
¿Cómo se dice reloj en inglés?
Good. Clock.
¿Cómo se dice luz en inglés?
Light. Good, Don.
Bravo.
Bravo, son. Bravo.